What's up, 101? Happy Labor Day. Let's see here. We're going to run this. Let me fix this. I don't know why this thing keeps moving on me every time I do a video. There we go. I'm going to run this video for the Tatis Jr. update rookie lot. Let's see here. We got Dave for one, Melvin for one, Henry for two, Greg for one, Melvin for another one, Dave for one, Chris for two, and Greg for the final one. Alright, let's come down here. Yeah. Alright, there we go. And we're going to go live. Yeah, live. I don't know why it's not showing, but do it again. Whatever. Not exactly sure what's going on here. I know I've typed live already twice. For some reason I'm not seeing it. Hopefully we'll see it on the feed after. So, we'll see what happens. But yeah, it definitely went live. And we're going to go over, that was at 6:55 to 6:56. Go to run a giveaway, paste our list in here. My internet has been weird, my computer has been weird, and I don't know what's going on. So, let's hope that everything is going alright right now. And this is going to be for Tatis lot. Going to roll the dice. 2 dice. Snake eyes are under. We roll again, which is basically 2 or nothing. Anything over, we go. Here we go. First dice roll at 6:57. We're going 5 times. Here we go. First time we got Ortiz. Second time we've got Dave. Third time we got Henry. Fourth time we've got Harper. Fifth and final at 6:57. Winner is Ortiz. Melvin takes it home with spot number 6. Congratulations, sir. Verification code is right here. We are coming back here. We are going to type in done if we ever see it. Hopefully this will update once I get out of this video because this is just weird. Done time was 6:57. Hopefully we'll see it down here because it's not updated. Alright guys, and have a great rest of your Labor Day. Thank you very much.